be hard to see, but right here on the edge you can see that's chipped. Alright, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. Car pulls to the right pretty hard. I'm gonna hit on the brakes hard in 3, 2, 1. Brakes feel pretty good. A little mushy, but they still have a good bite to them. If you let go of the wheel though, the car definitely will pull to the right. And I can tell the steering wheel wood is separating a little bit here. I can feel it kind of moving around. It's very subtle. Typical rattles. Now there is a vibration in the back. I think it might be the mufflers or exhaust, something kind of clacking around, so you're gonna hear that. And then of course you're gonna have your normal rattles. I hear that door shaking pretty good. Car shifts really nice. It sounds amazing. Definitely pulls to the right. I was thinking it might have been the road back there, but it's definitely doing it here as well. The steering wheel itself is crooked. The alignment of it's off a little bit. And then you're gonna have some gaps. I can see through the window here to the outside. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Date code on the tires, 2021. They are Nitto NT55 G2s, 245/40 18s. Looking in the barrel. Looks good. Here on the paint, a couple light scuffs, little rock impact. Bottom side looks good. This trim right here is just popping out here, kind of barely hanging on the corner. You can see the alignment on the hood is off. You can see that gap. Mirrors on there nice and secure. That trim looks good. You do have some imperfections right there. mainly in that spot. Scanning that roof, the rest of it looks good. Actually, there's some stuff here too. See it in the light right there. Little imperfections. You can see the alignment on the glass and the weather stripping in here, so that weather stripping is tore up. That looks good. That looks nice. You got one rock chip on the edge. A couple little markings in the paint. You do have some scratches there. Looks like that was touched up, and here. The edge looks good. Got a chip here. Day code 2021. That wheel looks good. Missing a little cap here. 275/40/16s. Peek through that wheel and look inside there. Looks good. Very light surface scuffs here and there. The car just received a correction, and so there's still some very light stuff. For the most part, looks really, really nice. Looks good. Let's get on this side. Got a rock chip right on the edge. Like I said, you're gonna have that hood gap right there. Look really nice. Same there, a couple chips on the inner side. The lower side looks good. I'll take a peek under here. Chip right there. Looking at the fender, overall looks amazing. Once again, wheel looks good. No curb rash. Edge of that trim is good. A couple little dings on the chrome. That section looks a lot cleaner than the other. Still a couple flaws. Clarity looks amazing on the paint. Got some cracks in here. Some pretty deep scratches in the glass. A couple touch-up spots. The rest of that looks good. You have a rock chip here. Got one right there. That wheel looks good. Got some separation there, typical aging and stains. That light looks good. And this just kind of flops around. So when you're done driving, it might be poking out, but you can kind of push it back in. That light looks good. Chrome is nice and clean. Got some damage right there. It's way in there though. And then the bumper itself here looks like it impacted the paint there at some point. You can see that gash there. And there's not much of a gap here, but over here there's a big gap. So you can see that. You can put your finger in here, and then you can't there, so something hit it and shoved it against the body a little bit. It just impacted it. Got the Kenwoods back here. Checking out the interior. Got the off-white seats with the black dash and carpets. Looking at that door panel, getting up close here on the edge. You can see all of that's just kind of falling apart. This is all separating. That's on there nice and secure, but if you look at the glass, you see that's kind of loose. As for the window though, rolling it down, that's good. Pretty tough to go back up. Looking at the steering wheel, that looks really cool. Here on the seat, you do have some big rips, separation here. This is all tore up in there. The rest of that looks good. Got plastic still on that cover. Got some cracking in there. Overall, that seat looks good. You can see the weather stripping here is dry rotting. Looking at the dash, overall that looks good. Got the Sony, it looks like they kind of chiseled it out and cut the dash to get in there. Looks good. Console's clean. Headliner looks good. All right, looking at this door panel, upper section here looks good. It's on there nice and secure, but the window does flop around. If you can see that. Got separation on that. You can see it kind of peeling back. Lower side though looks good here. This is all separating. That's nice. That rolls up and down good there. You can see this is kind of popping out. You got separation on that panel as well. That carpet looks good. Nice and clean. Checking out the seat. A couple little markings. That leather's really hard right there. It's not very soft. This is pretty soft though. Same here. The inserts are a little tough. But overall in great condition there. Looks good. Backside looks nice. You're gonna see the age in here. Looking at that jam, looks good. You can see the weather stripping here is just ripping and deteriorating. Looking at the seat, little marking here and there. For the most part, looks good. All right, looking in the trunk, got your carpet here, unfinished in the back there, it looks like. All right, checking out the engine bay here. All of this looks incredible, really nice. Looks good. Just kind of scanning through all of this. Battery is from 2021. You do have something kind of popping out here. I don't know if that's supposed to plug into anything or not. And then the hood latch, just like barely hanging on by a bolt, and it doesn't seem like it works very good. Just kind of flopping around.